What is it like to get a phone call that tells you you might die? That's something I went through 6 years ago today. It's the day that I got a phone call telling me that I had cancer. A bump in my leg that I thought was harmless turned out to be a sarcoma. They initially told me that I had a 50-50 chance of living. Happily, that turned out to be wrong, but it is all powerful. I mean, it's something that you go into shock at first, you can't believe it, and then you go into sort of this tailspin and despair. But I think the key is if you ever face a call like that or someone you love is going through that, help them get through those first couple days. You will get through it. And the key is getting from that fear and getting to a place of, okay, what can I do? Control what you can control and take action. That's where I got some peace to realize, okay, I could control a couple things. I could control my mental approach to it. I could find the meaning in it. And I kind of said, either this is going to kill me or it's going to make me a better person and make me healthier and stronger. And happily the latter was right. But I also knew that, well, if we get all the right medical advice we can, do the research, we've controlled that. The outcome, it's out of my hands. And when I was able to sort of let go of the outcome and realize that it was all about the mental side and finding the right steps to make sure I got good care, I was able to manage it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, there were a lot of scary nights, especially. Those were when I felt the most alone. But you have to get through those first few days, and then I promise it gets better if you control what you can control. So if anybody out there is facing something like this, and at some point we all do, try to take that, let yourself feel that first day, those first few hours of terror, pain, whatever it is, and then try to pivot. The mental side is something you can control, your attitude about it, and identifying the steps you can take to make sure you maximize whatever outcome you're gonna have. Some of it's out of your hands. Control what you can control, and that gave me peace. I had amazing people around me, but that gave me peace in a time of very, very great fear and difficulty. I hope no one else watching this has to go through it, but I know many of you are. Share this with anybody who can maybe benefit from it. If anybody can benefit, I hope this is helpful somehow. If this can help like one person, I will be happy. But just stay strong. Know there's so much meaning and beauty in going through a life-threatening experience. There really is. There is meaning and beauty in going through a life-threatening experience, and it will wake you up. And I wish I could share that with everybody out there. I hope nobody has to go through cancer to get it, but I can tell you when you go through a period of facing your mortality, as I did 6 years ago, you have a newfound appreciation for just this beauty that this world has and the people in your life and your relationships in the day-to-day. So try to embrace that. And if you do face a life or death situation, just know it's gonna elevate that. Appreciate life, appreciate time. Do not waste it. That's the biggest message. Do not waste time. Do not waste time.